Yes, if you're wondering, the tree still up.
I fell for you like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
And disregard the mess because we just had a shindig. So stuff is a little bit everywhere. But let's start at the front porch. So I did get a flower, y'all. We on week 1. She hanging on in there. I've been watering her every other day. I don't know. I know you're supposed to pour it on the roots, but I be feeling like the water got to get on the flowers too. I don't know. That might be weird. But she's glowing and growing. And I got the little water pail. Can't tell me nothing, honey. Kind of go with the decor. But we still got these heart trees. They was $45 each, so you're going to see them. And then we threw these eggs out here. Cute, simple. Still got the hello sign. But since I'm out here, I'm going to go ahead and take these up and roll them on in the house. Right here, we just got a little bunny welcome sign, a little egg going on. Nothing too major right here. All right, so in the living room, I moved these bar stools from the kitchen to make room because we were putting the food on the little counter and put the little bunny chair covers, which I got from Dollar Tree. The eggs came from Dollar Tree too. This was sitting on the table, I believe, but the kids, the stuff just got legs. But this was part of the decor as well. On the sofa, if you remember from the vlog, I bought this blanket, and then I bought those from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree receipt in there. But I had this bunny from Walmart from last year, the little grass runner that came from Hobby Lobby, and basket and eggs probably came from Dollar Tree. Okay, and the Christmas tree, because we did not want to do Easter down because the holiday was quickly approaching, we just did flowers. And I think they're so pretty. And yes, if you're wondering, the tree is still up. And she gonna stay up. So it was a lot more eggs over here, a lot more decorations, but again, with the kids, they got gone. But little happy Easter tabletop thing that came from Dollar Tree eggs. It was real cute. These are some pool floaties and stuff that I had got from Walmart and the Dollar Tree and stuff, but it rained, so it ruined the pool party plans. Another little egg, some more eggs, and decor here. The basket was right here, but it rained, poured down. It rained off and on, and then the temperature dropped, so it was too cool for the kids to get in the pool, so we just made it work inside. And then when we got a brief moment when it stopped raining, that's when we had the egg hunt. But let me show you the rest of the kitchen. Okay, I put up this little garland thing I got from Walmart, which is really cute. I'm gonna leave that up. But we pulled the table out. Okay, yeah, that gotta be cleaned up. And this cake came from Sam's, y'all. And when I tell y'all, it was so good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the decor. Oh, and this. But I need to go out here and move this gazebo before I show y'all. We had some wind going on, and it pretty much just shifted my little gazebo. I'm gonna have to put the little stakes in so it don't move. So let me move it before I show y'all. Yes, the gazebo is back, y'all. It's better than ever. All right, time to see outside, y'all. It looks so good at night, y'all. I was just sitting over here, so let me fix those pillows. I did replace the cushion that was in this chair. All of that comes from Amazon. And those are pillow covers from Amazon. Cushion covers came from Amazon. And those pillow covers, everything came from Amazon, y'all. The rug came from Amazon. These outdoor candles came from Walmart. That came from Big Lots. So that Hello Sunshine pillow. And there's lights too. The lights came from Big Lots. This is so cozy, y'all. I love it. And those little, I guess those are lanterns, came from Walmart too. But I love my patio. What do you think? Don't mind that stuff. I've been out here for a while, but I need to go in and finish cleaning. I guess that'll be my incentive to get stuff done, is to to get stuff done and come back outside. So let's go clean, y'all. I know I clean my ears out every day, in the morning and at night when I'm doing my face care routine, but it's just certain things that you don't see and that you miss. And I'm feeling ready for bed, but before I do that, I want to show y'all something real quick. So y'all, I just finished getting myself together for bed, fresh shower, fresh pajamas, because this is actually kind of crazy. So I've been trying out this scope around Otoscope, and it literally lets you see inside of your ear. I just turned it on. It has its own screen and everything, so you don't even need your phone. You just turn it on and you can see exactly what's going on in there. So let me show you. And it just gives you a deeper look into your ear. Now, I know I clean my ears out every day, in the morning and at night when I'm doing my face care routine, but it's just certain things that you don't see and that you miss. And it even lets you record videos and take pictures. So if you want to keep track, or you even want to show your doctor if something's going on inside of your ear. And this is the perfect addition to my at-home self-care days when I'm doing my self-care or when I'm doing my everything showers. This is definitely in the mix and it's been incorporated. So it's perfect for those days, or even if you just want to go digging around and making sure that everything is good in your ear before you hit it with a Q-tip, because we're not doing that no more. Not when we got an otoscope. So it's one of those things you never really thought about or even thought that you needed. But this is definitely going to stay in my routine. And I'm actually going to try it on my goddaughter. I'm going to go see if she's going to let me put it in her ear and see what's going on in there. So if you want to check it out and add it to your self-care routine, I'm going to have it linked below. And I also have a little coupon code so you can save some money off of your order. So let's get back to the vlog.
Since top of the year, lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume is feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keep keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance?
So it's the next morning. I put the sheets on the bed last night, but I hopped right on in there, guy. But I am gonna make up my bed today. But the living room and kitchen, pristine. Let's look. This is just full of stuff that I'm taking somewhere. The drinks that were left over. And I gotta take that stuff back to Walmart, but the living room is back together. Oh, I gotta move the bar stools back. Kitchen, when I say clean, okay, but it feels empty without the decor, so I gotta figure out something. I'm probably gonna get some more flowers to put in here. And that's my homegirl crock pot, but we got the kitchen and living room back together. Look at this edge just hanging out. Get off there. But I'm gonna finish the cleaning off. I gotta clean up the closet, well, the makeup room. I think I said I was gonna call it the content room. I'm about to clean the content room. I just washed the wig that I'm gonna put on because I did my wig the other day, a short one. And I was going for like this little flip look. It did not look right. So I had to throw something on, but I figured out that I really liked the wig. So I was like, let me put it together. But this room is a mess. So I've been just running in here doing my makeup and stuff like that. So I gotta put the stuff up, which it won't take long. Just get the stuff up. Sometimes when you're filming, things just happen so in a hurry. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this room together real quick.
Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance?
cleaning, but I had to head out. So instead of flat iron, because I want to flat iron this wig, but what I'm gonna do is just hit it with the hot comb to straighten the part out, and I'll finish the rest of it when I get back. I'm all oiled up, but the house is clean, and I feel like it just sets the tone. Being able to reset. I love being able to host and everything, but after it's done, you got to get the house back in tip-top shape. So got that taken care of. I showered, face brushed my teeth, all that good stuff, and now I'm about to head out. But I just wanted to tell y'all, thank y'all so much for watching and resetting with me. I just feel so much better about myself. And even when I come home, I don't have to do nothing. All I gotta do is just sit there and work on my content and things like that. Or I can sit outside and enjoy the breeze. It's hot. I always say, like, this Georgia weather is something else, because it be freezing at night, hot in the daytime, and then cold, and some days it's hot, some days it's cold. Like, I just can't keep up. But today it's hot, so I got this sundress on. And I'm about to go enjoy this weather. But I do want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Let me know down in the comments, did y'all decorate for Easter? Have y'all done your spring cleaning? Because I think I want to do some spring cleaning and decluttering. So let me know if y'all have done any spring cleaning or decluttering, or when is it that you do it, because it is spring, so that means we need to get started. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.